Sightable or rollable displays have always been drawing our attention because they look more futuristic to us. Since all the renowned companies have started to develop rollable displays, we hope to see them in our hands very soon. Following this fact, Samsung also boosted their display game up and started working on the rollable display section. So in this video, we are looking to talk about whether we are going to see rollable in replacement of foldable or a completely new series. Let's find out. Let's Go Digital, a renowned website, recently confirmed a patent where they have shown a display getting enlarged up to 30% of the actual size. This sightable display mechanism might be the next big thing for the Samsung phones. It is certain that Samsung is working on rollable displays, and their senior vice president, Choi Koon-young, confirmed that Samsung's first rollable and slidable displays are coming this year. It seems pretty logical that Samsung would work on it, as rollable are most likely the next step forward from foldable. LG has been showing off their rollable displays for quite a long ago, and recently other companies are joining the party from their perspectives as well. But so far, we have not been able to see a proper phone with this mechanism. On the other hand, we all know that whenever Samsung shows off something new, either a patent or a concept, they're sure to implement it. Samsung's patent shows that a regular-sized 6-inch display transformed into an 8-inch tablet. Isn't that interesting? Here they have kept the front and back of the body simple and used flexible materials on both sides. If Samsung really upgrades their foldable with the rollable, that would be a very good innovation, as nobody wants a bulkier or heavier phone on their hands. You can use the phone as a traditional smartphone and also transforms it into a tab whenever you want. In addition to this, Samsung might attach the S Pen to make it more usable while using it as a tablet. In my opinion, this can also be perfect replacement for the Galaxy Note series. All that we know so far are only leaks, and patents do not provide information on when Samsung's rollable would be released. So that is all we knew about Samsung's rollable or slidable patent. Let us know about your thoughts and expectations in the comment section. Like and share if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.